In this video I'll show you how to remove a side mirror of your Mitsubishi Outlander. You need to go inside and remove this plastic cap that is right here. Take a flathead screwdriver, a knife, something, and just jam it under it and pull it. You can now set this aside, and you may have an electric connector. Again, just push on the tab. There's a release tab there, maybe with your finger it's easier, and pull it to disconnect. Now there are three 10mm bolts. Take your socket and start removing them. Once you are done, simply take the mirror and shake it loose. As you can see, this one, there's a lot of rust there on the bracket. Yeah. So thanks for watching. So this was a quick tutorial on how to remove the side mirror. Give a like and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.